Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of almond flour. Made from finely ground almonds, is a popular gluten-free alternative to traditional wheat flour. It not only adds a nutty flavor to your recipes, but also offers several health benefits. Today, we're going on a delicious journey to explore this gluten-free gem that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nourishes your body from the inside out. So grab a seat and let's embark on this nutty adventure together. Picture this: a nutrient-rich superfood that adds a wholesome touch to your meals. That's almond flour for you. Made from finely ground almonds, it packs a powerful punch of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and calcium. It's like nature's way of saying, here's a delicious treat that's good for you. Now, if you're all about heart-healthy choices, you're in for a treat. Almond flour boasts an abundance of heart-loving monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats are known to work wonders by reducing LDL cholesterol levels and promoting a healthier lipid profile. Your heart will thank you for choosing almond flour as your go-to baking buddy. Are you looking to manage blood sugar levels like a pro? Almond flour's got your back. With a lower glycemic index than wheat flour, it helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, making it an excellent option for those with diabetes or anyone seeking to control their weight. It's time to embrace the sweetness of life without the sugar spikes. Let's delve deeper into how almond flour can have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. One of the key factors that make almond flour beneficial for managing blood sugar levels is its low glycemic index, GI. The GI measures how quickly a carbohydrate-containing food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a low GI cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar, which is essential for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to stabilize their blood sugar levels. Almond flour has a GI significantly lower than traditional wheat flour, making it a smart choice for people concerned about blood sugar spikes. Almond flour is a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which also contributes to its blood sugar regulating effects. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a slower rise in blood sugar levels after a meal. By including almond flour in your diet, you can help prevent rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, promoting better glycemic control over time. When using almond flour in baking, it's often combined with other low GI ingredients like eggs and low-carb sweeteners. This combination can lead to baked goods with a gentler impact on blood sugar levels compared to traditional wheat-based products. As a result, almond flour-based treats can be a tasty option for people who need to be mindful of their blood sugar levels. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Satisfaction and weight-friendly goodness rolled into one. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber in almond flour makes you feel full and content for longer periods. It's like a secret weapon in your weight management arsenal. Say goodbye to those pesky hunger pangs and hello to feeling great and in control. All right, let's talk about your gut health, shall we? The dietary fiber found in almond flour is here to keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system. A happy gut equals a happy you, and almond flour plays a crucial role in supporting your digestive well-being. Unlike some other grain flours, almond flour is naturally gluten-free and can be easier on the stomach, especially for those with gluten sensitivities or digestive issues related to gluten consumption. Choosing almond flour over traditional wheat flour can alleviate digestive discomfort for some individuals and contribute to a happier tummy. The gut microbiota, the community of microorganisms living in our digestive tract, plays a crucial role in various aspects of health, including digestion and immune function. Almond flour's prebiotic properties help nourish beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a balanced and diverse microbiome. A healthy gut microbiota is associated with improved digestion and overall well-being. What's more, who doesn't want stronger bones and radiant skin? With calcium and magnesium tag-teaming in almond flour, your bones are in for a treat. And let's not forget about vitamin E, the superhero antioxidant that helps protect your skin from free radical damage. Beauty and strength. What a dynamic duo. Need a steady source of energy to power through your day? Almond flour to the rescue. Packed with protein and healthy fats, it provides sustained energy to keep you feeling energized and motivated. No more midday slumps, just pure natural vitality. All right, foodies, here comes the exciting part. Almond flour's versatility. Its subtle nutty flavor makes it an incredible addition to countless recipes. From mouth-watering baked goods like cookies, cakes, and muffins to savory dishes like crispy chicken coatings and sauces, the possibilities are endless. When it comes to baking, almond flour is a game changer. It brings a nutty flavor and a tender, moist texture to your treats. It's particularly handy for creating delectable gluten-free and grain-free goodies, perfect for those with dietary restrictions or anyone seeking a wholesome alternative to traditional wheat flour. If you're on a low-carb or keto diet, almond flour bread is a fantastic alternative to traditional bread. Savor the taste of homemade bread without the carb overload and enjoy the nutritional benefits of almond flour. The possibilities are truly endless with almond flour. Let your imagination run wild in the kitchen. Whether you're baking, cooking, or simply looking to add a nutrient-rich twist to your dishes, almond flour is your culinary sidekick. Embrace its versatility, and you'll discover a world of flavors, textures, and health benefits that elevate your meals and leave your taste buds craving more. Almond flour is a true gift from nature, offering a myriad of health benefits and elevating your culinary experience to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this nutty adventure, and until next time, stay nourished, stay healthy, and keep exploring the goodness that nature provides. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.